Oh man, I have been excited to share this one with you for a while. Today, Soundcore is unveiling their new Space series, and we're gonna take an in-depth look at the Space A40. What's good with the issue, Kinfo Dookie, back again with bang, budget and new gear reviews to help you get the best bang for your tech dollars. Now, before we go any further, I definitely want to thank you for clicking on this video. Soundcore did provide this sample for testing, but they are not sponsoring it or paying for it anyway. These are my real thoughts and opinions after an in-depth listening experience. Also, they provided a bunch of marketing materials that I know they're not going to be happy with, but I didn't look at all because I just want to give y'all the real, let you know exactly if these are worth picking up. Also, I do want to give a shout out to these folks right here for supporting me on my Buy Me a Coffee page. Any money received from that is put right back into this channel to help it go bigger and better. You can also help by making sure you hit that like and subscribe and leave a comment down below letting me know what you thought. Now, the Space series is Soundcore's attempt to rebrand and take their Life series in another direction. They also sent over a pair of their overhead earphones. If you missed the special unboxing I did, you can check any of my social media short video platforms, whether it's Shorts, Reels, or TikTok, and see that special unboxing. Otherwise, let's just go ahead and get into these, man. These are the Space A40s. It is pretty familiar Soundcore packaging. You get the actual pair of headphones in the charging case, a variety of tips, and a USB-C cable, which is expected. Now, taking a look at the case, it's similar to other Soundcore cases, so there's nothing out of the ordinary here. But you can see the actual earbuds. This is one of my favorite earbud styles from Soundcore. These are smaller, they weigh less, and they're more comfortable when you put them in your ear because you don't have that bulky headphone experience. These just fit right in, especially if you get the correct ear tips and they just go right in, they fit nicely. And I didn't really have any issues with wearing these earbuds for an extended period of time. I'm talking about 4 to 5 hours at a time, maybe even longer throughout my day. I just didn't even notice them at some points because they are so light and airy. On the back here, there is a USB-C charging port and you have your button for pairing. I wish there was a mechanism for these to open, like a button or something like that, but they open pretty nicely and snap back in. And the headphones fit in pretty well with no issues taking them in or out. So that's always good. Now, speaking of length of time to listen to it, these project an estimated 10 hours of listening time with 50 hours of overall listening time provided by the case. I'll say this, in my extensive testing, I'm a side sleeper. So if I sleep on my left side, I'll put the right earbud in and listen to music while I'm sleeping. And I was pleasantly surprised to wake up after 7 or 8 hours of sleep and still have music going in my earbud pretty strong. Now, this was at low volume, so I'm not blasting it at 100% while I'm asleep. So I'm at about 40 to 50% just so I can listen to music comfortably while I'm asleep. And I have to say, these earbuds last pretty well, especially with the case. You get that quick charging time. So about 10 minutes of charging gives you 4 hours of listening. And I found that I very rarely ever even got a low battery notice on these, let alone had to really charge them. And this is over the last week or so that I've been using these primarily as my go-to earbuds. Let's go ahead and put these in my ear so I can talk about the actual experience that comes from using them. Now, before we go any further, they do have ear-to-ear technology. I was previously listening to some music here on my phone, just placing these in my ears, that music started right up. So if you like that type of experience, you do have that right out of the box set to go. Let's go ahead and open up the app. All right, you can see the app here open on the screen. Let's click into the Space A40. I like the fact that they let you know exactly what you're dealing with here. This updated Soundcore app is much better. And I'm talking about, for me, it's just infinitely better than Soundcore's variation in the past. Big ups to them for stepping it up. Up here, you see the actual earbuds and you get your power level for the left and right ear. Also, you see that LDAC is enabled. Here you have your ambient sound modes. And I gotta say, man, honestly, this is where these headphones really shine to me. Let's go to the noise cancellation. So you have two different modes. You have your adaptive mode and you have a manual mode. Manual, you can set strong, weak, moderate, strong. So you can kind of set it to how you want it. I pretty much leave it on the adaptive mode. That way it will sense the sounds in the room and adjust the noise canceling as it goes. I will say that this isn't one of the most premium noise canceling sounds that I've heard. I definitely think they've done it better on other earbuds, but it is usable. And for the most part, it blocks out a lot of noise. When it comes to the sound quality, there's not that much shift, but I do know I resonate with bass a little bit better in the noise canceling. It kind of blocks out some of the rumble and low noise from the environment, and that makes the bass kick just a little bit harder. But yo, let me talk about my favorite mode on these earbuds. And to me, Space is the perfect name because this just gives you a sense of space with this transparency mode. I don't know, I was kind of surprised the first time I had experienced it because I'm used to, it's throwing me off right now because it's that good. I'm used to transparency mode working in one of two ways. Either they just kind of let in a little bit of noise, so you don't really get that full listening experience because you have earbuds pushed into your ears. So it's like, I'm still struggling to hear what people are saying. So I eventually take them out, even when I have the transparency mode on with a lot of earbuds. Or you get a really boosted, loud sound to where they're really amplifying the outside experience. And for some, that's how they like it. But for me, I prefer this natural, spacey environment that almost feels like I do not have earbuds on at all. So you have two different modes. You have fully transparent or vocal mode. And with the vocal mode, it was so, I was sitting here one day listening to music and I switched it to the vocal mode, and the way the room transformed was almost scary because it sounded like there was no earbuds on. It felt like I didn't have earbuds on, and I started speaking with Cehova and I could hear her naturally bright, crisp in my ears. I didn't have to take the headphones out to get the full conversation. I was like, oh my goodness, this is such a quality transparency mode experience. I've had it on a bunch of different headphones and it's like, I see what you're doing, but you know, you're not quite there. Soundcore, I don't know what they did. They knocked this one out the park. That is definitely one of my favorite features about this Space A40 earbud. Shout out to my YouTube community. I put a poll up there where I said, what is your favorite mode when it comes to your earbuds? Noise cancellation, transparency mode, or normal. For me, it's usually transparency mode because I never like to feel totally cut off from my surroundings. If somebody needs to speak to me, I don't want them to have to yell to get my attention. This is just a great transparency experience, but let's go ahead and talk about that sound.
I'm forever going hard, my motivation is pain.
Yeah.
Hustling for pennies, I'm up and down in the rain.
Ooh, let's talk about it, man. So let's switch back to the app here. In the actual sound effects down here at the bottom, you have three different options. So you have the Hear ID sound. This is where you could go in and fine tune these to your desired sound. I did try it on these because a lot of the times the Soundcore signature default sound is pretty much my favorite experience when it comes to Soundcore earbuds. So if you click here in the default sounds, you have Soundcore signature, acoustic, bass booster, and a variety of other different options. Also the, what is it? The R&B. R&B is one of my favorites, especially for the type of music that I like to listen to. On that Soundcore signature, let's talk about that. So when you're listening to your music, you get a very, very, very nice representation across the spectrum. I love the warmth that you get in the lower end. So there's a nice bass hit. Is not an overestimated bump. It's not going to be an exaggerated bass boost, but you get a nice tight low end kicks hit. They just resonate right there where they need to be. The mid-range response is very solid. Vocals come through very cleanly. I didn't notice anything that would turn me off from listening to my favorite vocal arrangements or songs with vocals that I want to cut right through. I was able to get that with these headphones. This isn't the most detailed or sparkly high end, but you do get enough there. And then if you wanted to, you could come in and adjust the EQ. But for my default listening experience, I wasn't disappointed at all listening to music across the spectrum, especially with LDAC enabled. Then using something like Amazon's Ultra HD Music, the listening experience was just another level. All right, let's go ahead and wrap it up. I need to get up out of here. My battery light is flashing, which means I've been talking a lot. I've been running my mouth. But for the price at $99, Soundcore is really giving you a solid product here. You're getting a great mixture of sound quality. You're getting a very light, comfortable pair of earbuds that you can wear all day in a variety of scenarios and not feel like you need to take them out because of that included noise cancellation and transparency mode, so you can adjust it to whichever situation that you're involved with. The sound quality is really solid and you won't have a problem listening to any of your favorite music. Overall, I like the direction that Soundcore is taking with the Space A40, but I'd like to know what you think down below. Let me know, what earbuds are you currently listening to? Is this something you would consider upgrading to if you have a previous pair of Soundcore devices? If there's anything you would like me to compare these to, let me know down in the comments. Maybe I'll do a follow-up video either here or on my socials, TikTok, Instagram, wherever, and just give you a more in-depth comparison head-to-head. I'm gonna get up out of here. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and never forget to holla